Did you know you can make real money with AI art even if you can't draw a single stick figure? No art skills needed. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a stunning AI generated artwork, how to sell it online, and how to turn it into a steady income. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone curious about the AI art boom, this video will change how you think about making money creatively. So if you want to start earning with AI art today, smash that like button and let's get started. First, let's talk about what AI art actually is. The AI art is artwork created by artificial intelligence programs that turn your text descriptions into images. This means you don't need to hold a pencil or know Photoshop. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. Some popular AI art generators are dall-e 3, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. You just type what you want to see and within seconds you get beautiful, unique images. I'll show you exactly how to use these tools later in the video. Step 1 is picking the AI art tool that suits your style and budget. Dall-e 3 is great for creative and surreal images. Midjourney offers beautiful artistic styles and is community driven. Stable Diffusion is open source and highly customizable. Most of these tools have free trials or affordable plans. I recommend testing all three tools to see which one fits you best. Don't worry, I'll leave links in the description for you to get started right away. Now for the fun part, here's how to create your first piece of AI art. Start by thinking about what you want. It can be anything, a fantasy landscape, a futuristic city, or a cute animal. Use clear, descriptive words in your prompts. For example, a colorful sunset over a mountain range, digital art style. The AI will generate multiple options. Pick your favorite, and if you want, you can tweak the prompt to get exactly what you want. You don't need to be an artist, just your creativity and imaginations are enough. Now that you have your AI art, how do you make money from it? Here are the top ways people are earning still right now. Sell prints and digital downloads on Etsy or Shopify. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Printful. Offer freelance AI art services on Fiverr or Upwork. Many clients want unique AI art for websites, marketing, or social media. Build a social media page to showcase your AI art and monetize through brand deals or sponsorship. NFT marketplaces are booming. You can mint and sell your AI art as NFTs and earn royalties on resales. To really succeed with AI art, here are some tips. Use unique and specific prompts to create one-of-a-kind images. Learn a little about art styles, mix and match prompts like cyberpunk or watercolor for cool effects. Engage with AI art communities on Discord or Reddit to learn and get feedback. Keep experimenting and posting regularly. Consistency builds your audience answers. Respect copyright rules and check each platform's policies about AI generated art. So there you have it, how to make money with AI art even if you can't draw at all. The AI art revolution is here and it's your chance to get creative and earn cash fast. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on AI and making money online. Comment below what kind of AI art you want to create next. I love hearing your ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.